Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your Nintendo Switch. The first step is go to the home screen, then tap on controllers here, and then you're going to tap on change grip/order. And on the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, there's a high chance that it will be dead on arrival. What this means is the next step will not work because there'll be no charge. So I'm just going to connect my Nintendo Switch Pro controller to power. And once we've done that, just make sure you have this LED turn on. If it's turned on, you can proceed to the next step. So the next step is you see this little icon right here to the left of the charging port. You're just going to click on this one. And then you're going to see right here, the controller will automatically pair. All we need to do is wait a couple of seconds. You don't need to press L and R, it'll just automatically pair just like that. So what we do is we just press A when we're ready. And yeah, we're good to go. So you can see I can control the Nintendo Switch using my Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Of course, give it a bit of charge. Once everything's fully charged, you won't need to, be plugged to power. So you can see, let's see here. Yep, currently right now it's working wirelessly. This won't last very long though because the controller's almost dead. If you want to check the battery, just go to controllers and then you'll be able to see the battery percentage right there. And yeah, so hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.